Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Anai and I'm here today with you guys showing you how to do a DIY hair mask. And as you can see, my hair is really damaged. I have not cut my hair in a very long time. I wanted to talk about my hair. My hair is very damaged right now, as you can see. So we are going to be doing a DIY hair mask and get rid of all this dryness. I do have a lot of tangles in my hair. We are going to do this DIY mask, and this is going to help our hair get more hydrated, get more shiny, and just look so beautiful on us. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with our avocado. And then the next thing that we are going to do is put 1 egg, 3 teaspoons of honey. It could be any honey that you have. Okay guys, and the last thing that you're going to need is some mayo. It can be any kind of mayo that you have. We're going to get 2 spoons full of mayo and just put it in our DIY hair mask. Okay, so after we have all our ingredients, we are going to mix it. I know guys, it looks kind of gross, but this right here is going to help your hair just be very hydrated, just very soft, and get your hair just up to date. Like, who doesn't want to have fabulous hair? I mean, I do. So I just want to share my tips and what I do with you guys, and you know, so you can guys just try it out. And I hope you guys like this video and give it a big thumbs up. Okay guys, so this is the consistency of the hair mask, and we are just going to go ahead and just put it on and wait for 30 minutes. So let's just go ahead and get started. And it's so bad, like it's so dry, and I probably need a haircut already. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is just part your hair. I do want to start in the bottom and make my way up, and I'm just gonna part it. You want to go ahead and take your time and just have a day for you. You know, you deserve it. And let's just go ahead and make some really cool masks, and I just love them. Okay, so the easiest way would be getting a spoonful and just putting it on your hair. I'm not even watching the mirror. Oops. Smells a lot, you guys, but it is so worth it. It's just gonna make our hair look so beautiful, so nice, smooth, silky, and you are going to love it. This, guys, is going to help your hair grow and just be very more healthy, more shiny, and get rid of that damaged hair. We need to take care of ourselves, and because if you don't take care of yourself, who will? And we need to look fabulous and beautiful. And our hair is one of the important things that we should take care of. And this will help so much. So natural. And so beautiful. We're going to pour. Oh my gosh. That is cold. Oh. That is so good. You can just feel so cold. It's absorbing everything. It feels good. That feels so good. You guys have to try it. I know I kind of look kind of rough, but this is going to help our hair. It is so soaking wet. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Half an avocado, guys, is a lot. Like, just putting half an avocado, 1 egg, mayo, honey. It's just like, oh my gosh. You guys, let me comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys have watched something and you are just afraid to try it, I mean, you guys just let me know, comment down below. And this person right here will help you guys out, and just let me know what you guys think. And we're going to wait for 30 minutes, and we're going to wash our hair and then come back and show you guys the results of my hair. I do recommend you guys doing this maybe once a week, or you know, just anytime that you have time for yourself. Take the time to enjoy yourself, take the time to take care of yourself, because that is very important, and I think it is very important for every single one of us. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and then show you guys the results. Okay, so you can see that it is not that dull, it's not that, you know, that it was all spongy. It was just so dry, and now you can just tell that my hair is clean. Okay guys, so as you can see right here, my hair is very shiny. It is very soft, and I feel good and fresh. I just love it. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I do recommend you guys using this mask at least once a week. I do love the results of it. I love how it doesn't smell. We did put some egg and some mayo and it was just like very slimy, and I thought it was gonna smell, but after all it didn't really smell. It doesn't smell at all. And so I do recommend this mask. I do see my hair very shiny. I see it very just healthy, and this is what I was going for. I wanted it to be just healthy again and just in a good looking shape. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed it, and I have an announcement to make. And it is time to do the giveaway, guys, and the winner is to Jackie Vera. Woo! I am so happy for you, girl, and thank you so much for sharing this video. And I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye guys.